Are you looking to get into photography and are split between buying a DSLR camera or a mirrorless version? Well, you're not alone. Finding the right camera model can be an excruciatingly hard task, even for an experienced photographer. On one hand, traditionalists will argue that the DSLR cameras are the best. On the other hand, some will argue that mirrorless cameras are better in terms of versatility, cutting-edge features, and photographic performance. With that said, the mirrorless camera industry is really heating up with various new models, making it very difficult to choose the right one. If you're looking to join in on the mirrorless revolution, then we've compiled the list of the top 5 mirrorless cameras on the market. Whether you're looking for an entry-level camera or a full-frame rig, this buying guide will help cover all the best mirrorless cameras. If you're interested in any of these cameras, we've included links in the description box below. Keep watching to find out about all of them. At number 1 is the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. This mirrorless camera remains one of the few cameras that can manage to hit the hard-to-reach sweet spot between easy handling, high performance, and affordability. Boasting of the dual-pixel CMOS AF sensor, the Canon EOS M50 has phase detection autofocus, allowing you to capture images across a wider frame area. Additionally, the 24MP resolution offers you an ISO 100 to 25,600 sensitivity range that can be expanded if necessary. Notably, the M50 is one of the first mirrorless cameras to incorporate the Digic 8 processing engine to allow you to capture 4K videos at 10 frames per second. Better yet, that dual-pixel CMOS autofocus does an excellent job of detecting and tracking the subject's eyes when capturing a video or image. The M50 also comes with an electronic shutter that minimizes the vibrations that can spoil your shots. Along with that, Canon has also incorporated a silent shooting mode to reduce noise when capturing those special moments. In terms of connectivity, the M50 is Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth LE enabled. Better yet, through the Connect app, the camera can be connected using Bluetooth to either Android and iOS phones for easy transfer of files. You can also get Bluetooth or Wi-Fi remote control options for both the view and full control camera settings. To sum up, the M50 is a strong, compact camera that's backed by a small system of lenses. It's appropriately sized to match its design, and the AF system helps you track subjects for action photography. At number 2 is the Sony Alpha A6100 mirrorless digital camera. Measuring 16 by 5 by 4.5 inches and weighing in at 1.2 pounds with the battery and memory card fitted, the overall construction of this camera feels solid and dependable. The camera's front is dominated by a rubberized hand grip, which enables you to firmly and comfortably hold the camera as well as conceal the battery and memory card compartment. Along with the rubberized exterior, the Sony Alpha A6100 features a triple-hinged rear screen with 180 degrees of upward movement and 90 degrees of downward movement. And when not in use, the camera's lens retracts back into the housing, giving the camera a low profile to snugly fit in a small pocket. At the heart of the Alpha A6100 is the 24.2 megapixel XMAR CMOS image sensor. This potent mix helps deliver outstanding performance in terms of autofocus, enhanced image quality, quick-fire shooting, and convincing 4K video captures. Another thing you'll love about the Alpha A6100 is its autofocus feature. It offers a combined 425 phase and contrast detection that covers 84% of the full image frame. Better yet, the IAF and AI-based AF tracking allow you to accurately track the subject at 0.02 seconds of focusing speed. For easy file transfer, the A6100 also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, NFC or QR code, and Sony's Play Memories app. Other honorable mentions include an intuitive menu interface, AF/AE tracking, a microphone input, and USB charging. If you're looking for an entry-level, travel-friendly mirrorless camera for street, sports, and family photography, the A6100 is one of the very best options out there. It comes with futuristic features like an impressive autofocus feature, 4K video recording capability, and an iconic design, making it a superb all-arounder. Not impressed so far? Well, keep watching because we have more mirrorless cameras lined up for you. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and to hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. And now, let's continue. At number 3 is the Nikon Z50 DX format mirrorless camera. Boasting of 20.88 MP APS-C format sensor that's paired with the XP6 processing engine, these two allow you to capture stills in native sensitivity ranges of ISO 100 to 51,200. Meanwhile, the Nikon Z50 supports UHD 4K at 30 frames per second and 120 frames full HD recording for slow motion. If you want to fine-tune your images and videos, the in-camera clip trimming feature and creative picture control help you infuse your photos with a unique look. Instead of pushing the pixel count beyond 24, the Z50 keeps the pixel count around 20 million, which improves image quality and keeps the noise level. Another good thing about the Z50 is the inclusion of both subject tracking mode and the Eye AF mode. These must-have features in a mirrorless camera are incredibly useful, especially when capturing a subject that moves erratically. The Nikon Z50 camera also makes selfies fun and easy thanks to the tilting monitor. Simply tilt it downwards and it'll immediately morph into a selfie camera. Better yet, all of the operational buttons and dials remain locked, save for the shutter release button, allowing you to maintain a firm grip. In terms of connectivity, the camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with the SnapBridge 2.6 system. On top of facilitating connectivity, these features enable you to remotely control the camera via a connected smartphone. If you're a beginner photographer shopping for your first camera, the Nikon Z50 DX format mirrorless camera will give you all the necessary perks. It properly handles even in the most demanding still and video recording sessions thanks to the seamless shooting speeds, while the good spread of buttons makes it easier to operate. At number 4 is the Fujifilm X-T100 digital camera. This eye-catching mirrorless camera is geared towards delivering excellent quality images even in the harshest weather and most demanding environments. Featuring a streamlined thin profile, the X-T100 comes with a screw-on accessory grip that allows for a secure handhold as well as making it easier to operate using one hand. For entry-level mirrorless camera, the X-T100 delivers crisp, clear images and a broad ISO range thanks to the 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. For continuous shooting, the camera also delivers a decent 5.9 frames per second capture rate at full 24 MP resolution and 15 frames per second for 4K photo mode. Another area that the X-T100 manages to score big is the inclusion of the electronic viewfinder. Pegged at 2.36 million dot resolution, it gives you a sneak preview of whatever your final results will be even before you take the picture. Better yet, the 3-way, 3-inch tilt LCD monitor comes with a crisp 1040K dot resolution, giving you a crisp, sharp display. As if that's not enough, you have the freedom to pump up the brightness on use for sunny days or tone it down during astrophotography outings. The display screen is hinge mounted to allow you to capture stills and videos from any angle of your interest. In terms of connectivity, the X-T100 is fitted with the standard cocktail of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connectivity. The Bluetooth and NFC are simply included to facilitate the camera's connectivity with your smartphone via the Fujifilm Cam Remote app, whereas the Wi-Fi is tasked with remote control and file transfers. If you're looking for a hassle-free camera to satisfy your photography whims and fantasies, the Fujifilm X-T100 digital camera is a solid choice. This stunning camera has a sleek design, speedy autofocus, and delivers brilliant pictures. Finally on our list at number 5 is the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III mirrorless camera. This compact mirrorless camera boasts of an appealing vintage design that makes it easy to carry around and operate. For starters, the simple touch panel LCD monitor makes the camera super easy thanks to its tilting ability. Still using the adjusting dials stationed at the camera's top, you're able to effortlessly adjust the ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Another wonderful bonus of the Olympus Mark III is the faster operating speed. It employs the high-speed 6 frames per second sequential shooting that allows you to seamlessly capture fleeting moments without skipping a beat. Additionally, you can also capture 4K videos thanks to the powerful 5-axis imaging stabilization that allows you to record beautiful, shake-free handheld videos. The Olympus 121-point AF shutter is also able to cover a wide area, which works great especially when capturing moving objects. And with a silent shooting mode, you can even photograph your sleeping young ones without waking them up. For easy connection, the Olympus comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and QR code. The downloadable Olympus Image Share app will also come in handy when looking to easily connect your camera to a smartphone or even import photos. If you're looking for a timeless, simple, and straightforward mirrorless camera, we highly recommend the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III mirrorless camera. It comes with a super fast, accurate autofocus, 5-axis image stabilization, and allows you to swap the lens, all of which are crucial for capturing sharp, high-quality images. And there you go, the top 5 mirrorless cameras on the market. Whether you're an amateur photographer looking for a budget-friendly camera, or you're an advanced photographer looking for top specs, you'll find something unique in our list to suit your priorities. If you've already made your choice of camera, click the links in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. Before we wrap up, we're always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if there's a product you have in mind that you'd love to see us review, comment below in the comment section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.